Hello there, it's wonderful to connect with you today. Let's talk about something incredibly important for all of us who have celebrated our 60th birthday and beyond. We're going to talk about strength, vitality, and feeling absolutely fantastic in our own skin. I want to share a little secret with you, something that can truly help you rebuild your strength after 60. You might be surprised to hear it, but this one protein source is even better than eggs for us. It's time to feel powerful again, to stand tall and to embrace every single day with energy and confidence. We are not winding down, we are firing up for our next amazing chapter, and our bodies deserve the best fuel to get us there. For years, we've been told that eggs are the go-to source for a good protein breakfast. And don't get me wrong, eggs are fine. But fine isn't what we're aiming for, is it? We are aiming for exceptional. We want to feel vibrant, capable, and ready for any adventure that comes our way. Whether it's playing with our grandchildren, tending to our gardens, or traveling the world. As we gracefully move past the age of 60, the word strength takes on a whole new, deeper meaning. It's no longer just about being able to lift heavy grocery bags, though that is certainly a wonderful perk. It's about the strength to live independently, to maintain our balance and avoid falls, and to keep our bodies resilient against illness. Every time you stand up from a chair without using your hands, you are using your strength. Our muscles are our body's engine, and just like any engine, they need the right fuel to run smoothly. Think of protein as the building blocks for your muscles. When you give your body enough high-quality protein, you are essentially telling your muscles, hey, it's time to rebuild. It's time to get stronger. Strong muscles help support our bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. When we are strong, we have more energy. We sleep better. Our immune system functions more effectively. So, what is this wonderful protein I've been talking about? It's something simple, creamy, and probably already available in your local grocery store. It's Greek yogurt. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Yogurt better than eggs? But please hear me out, because this is not just any yogurt. Greek yogurt is a true powerhouse of nutrition, specially suited for our needs as we get older. It's created by straining regular yogurt to remove the whey, which is the watery part of milk. This straining process is what makes it so thick and creamy, and more importantly, it's what concentrates the incredible amount of protein within it. Think of Greek yogurt as the superstar of the dairy aisle. It's a humble food that packs an incredible punch. A single serving can contain almost double the protein of a regular yogurt and often more protein than 2 large eggs. Let's put these two protein sources side by side in a friendly comparison. We all know and love eggs. They've been a breakfast staple for generations, and for good reason. A large egg gives you about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with important nutrients like vitamin D and choline. However, when we look at the specific needs of our bodies after 60, Greek yogurt starts to pull ahead in a few key areas. A typical 6-ounce serving of plain, low-fat Greek yogurt can provide an amazing 17 grams of protein. That's nearly the same amount of protein as 3 eggs, all in one easy-to-eat serving. This higher protein density is a game changer. To get the same muscle-building benefit from eggs, you'd have to eat several of them, which also means you're consuming more cholesterol. Many Greek yogurts, on the other hand, are low in fat and cholesterol, making them a heart-friendlier choice for a daily protein source. Now let's talk about calcium. As we discussed, bone health is paramount. While eggs contain many wonderful vitamins, they are not a significant source of calcium. Greek yogurt, however, is packed with it. That same 6-ounce serving can deliver about 20% of your daily calcium needs. Finally, let's think about convenience and versatility. Eggs require cooking. You have to fry them, scramble them, or boil them. Greek yogurt requires only a spoon. It's ready in an instant for a quick breakfast, a satisfying lunch, or a protein-rich snack to tide you over in the afternoon. There is another magical benefit hidden inside that creamy container of Greek yogurt. And honestly, it has nothing to do with muscles or bones. It has everything to do with your gut. Greek yogurt that contains live and active cultures is an incredible source of probiotics. These are the good bacteria that live in your digestive system and play a huge role in your overall health. Think of your gut as a beautiful garden. Probiotics are the friendly gardeners that help everything flourish, keeping the weeds, or bad bacteria, in check. A healthy gut garden is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. As we age, the balance of bacteria in our gut can sometimes be disrupted, leading to digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or just general discomfort. Regularly eating probiotic-rich foods like Greek yogurt can help restore that healthy balance. It gently supports your digestive system, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb all the wonderful nutrients you are eating. Scientists are now discovering a powerful connection between our gut and our brain, calling it the gut-brain axis. The health of your digestive system can actually influence your mood and cognitive function. Furthermore, a large portion of your immune system is located in your gut. By nurturing your gut with probiotics, you are also supporting your body's natural defenses, helping you stay resilient and fight off illnesses. So, that daily bowl of yogurt is not just building your muscles, it's also strengthening your immune system and potentially even lifting your spirits. This makes Greek yogurt a multi-talented superstar in your diet. Let's talk about a very practical aspect of eating as we get older. Ease. Sometimes, foods that were once easy to eat can become a challenge. Tough meats or even crunchy vegetables can be difficult for those with sensitive teeth, dental work, or dentures. This is another area where Greek yogurt truly shines. Its texture is wonderfully smooth and soft. It requires no chewing at all, making it one of the easiest foods to eat, regardless of your dental situation. You can enjoy all of its nutritional benefits without any discomfort or difficulty, ensuring you never have to miss out on a high-quality protein meal. This gentleness extends to your stomach as well. Greek yogurt is generally very easy to digest. For some people, the natural culturing process that creates yogurt also breaks down some of the lactose, which is the sugar in milk that can sometimes cause digestive upset. On days when you feel a bit under the weather or your appetite isn't very strong, the thought of preparing and eating a complex meal can be overwhelming. A bowl of Greek yogurt is the perfect solution. This simple accessibility ensures that you can consistently fuel your body with the protein and calcium it needs, day in and day out, without fail. Now for the fun part. How can we easily make Greek yogurt a delicious part of our daily lives? The beauty of it is its incredible versatility. The simplest way, of course, is to enjoy it for breakfast. Start with a base of plain, low-fat or non-fat Greek yogurt to get the most protein without added sugars. Then, you can customize it to your heart's content. Swirl in a spoonful of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Top it with fresh berries like blueberries or strawberries for a boost of antioxidants and fiber. A sprinkle of chopped nuts or seeds like walnuts or chia seeds can add healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. But don't just think of it as a breakfast food. Greek yogurt makes a fantastic lunch or a powerful afternoon snack. Keep a container at the ready for that 3 p.m. slump when you need a pick-me-up. For a savory twist, you can use plain Greek yogurt as a base for a healthy dip for vegetables like cucumber slices or baby carrots. Just mix in some chopped herbs like dill or chives, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a little garlic powder. It's a wonderful protein-rich alternative to sour cream or mayonnaise-based dips, and it's absolutely delicious. You can also incorporate Greek yogurt into your cooking and baking. Use it as a healthy substitute for sour cream or crème fraîche on top of a baked potato or a bowl of chili. The key is to start simple. You don't have to try all of these ideas at once. Pick one that sounds appealing to you and give it a try this week. It's a canvas for your culinary creativity and a simple tool for a stronger, healthier you. Embracing a food like Greek yogurt is about more than just nutrition. It's about adopting a mindset of strength and vitality. It's a conscious choice that says, I value my health, and I am actively taking steps to nurture my body. You are not a passive bystander in your aging process. You are the vibrant, capable captain of your own ship, steering it toward a future filled with energy and wellness. Let go of any outdated notions that our later years are meant to be a time of slowing down and taking it easy. Yes, we should rest, but we should also play. We should challenge ourselves, learn new things, and stay engaged with the world. When you feel strong, you feel more confident. You're more likely to say yes to a walk with a friend, to join a new class, or to get down on the floor and play with your grandchildren. Now that you have this wonderful knowledge, don't keep it to yourself. The journey to health is always more fun and more effective when we walk it together. Let's start a positive ripple effect of health and wellness that spreads throughout our circles. You could even invite a friend over to try a bowl of Greek yogurt with your favorite toppings. Making it a shared experience removes any intimidation and turns it into a fun activity. Imagine if everyone in your circle made this one small positive change. Imagine the collective increase in energy, strength, and vitality. So I urge you to be a messenger of strength. Share this information. Talk about it. Most importantly, live it. Together, we are a powerful force. Let's lift each other up, share our knowledge, and build a future where we are all living our strongest, happiest, and healthiest lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this information has been helpful to you, I'd love for you to subscribe to our channel and share this video with friends who could benefit from feeling stronger and more energetic. Don't forget to like this video if it inspired you to make positive changes in your health journey. Now, let's go out there and be strong.